Now, everyone knows what a normal European honey beehive looks like. They're this big, and you pull the frames out and all the honey and the little cells are all there. But with a native beehive, they are really weird. They look a bit alien, actually. The hives are a lot smaller. There's only a little hole at the front and the bees come and go out of there. But when they make their honey, it's flat. They go round in circles. And with my hive out the front, I also put a shade on. So when it rains heavy or it's sun, that protects them as well. A piece of artwork, but it does look a bit alien.